Hey everyone, we have arrived in Santorini and I'm going to unbox my villa here. So let's join me. Come on in. This is where we will be staying in for the next 2 days. And this is a small little villa, enough for the three of us. And we are so glad that we are able to stay in a property like that. As you all can see, this is the agency view from my washroom. Okay, let's go out to the balcony. Right, this is where we can do a little bit of cooking. Try, yeah, this is all the lights that we have. Can do some light cooking, but I don't bother. Everything is so convenient as upstairs. And this is the entrance come balcony of my rented villa. And this is a sunset view, the famous sunset view in Santorini. So when it is not so warm, we will go and explore Santorini. But at the moment, let's wait for the sun to die down a little bit because it's scorching hot. The moment we walked in, we were drenched in sweat. Right, some villas actually do come with a swimming pool, but some do not. So, well, it's all kind of prices. So, of course, the ones with a pool are more expensive. They are more posh. We're just happy to have a balcony. Right, everyone, I'll just make a quick pit stop here at the observation tower on Oya, Santorini, Greece. And the yellow portion, yellow houses is where we are staying. And it's called the wind house because of the windmills there that you can see. And I've zoomed in to that view. All right, surprisingly, this Santorini is pretty quiet. I understand it is due to the fact that people still have fears regarding the earthquakes that was devastated the island earlier this year. Right. And that is where the iconic postcards on Instagram Photoshop Santorini's doom where it's filmed or shot. These are the dooms. Stay here a little bit longer so everybody gets to see it. This is the afternoon shot of Santorini. And this is the agency. Surprising. Very surprisingly quiet. Because on a normal day, there's no way that you can come up here. Let's go back to the dome shot again. so everybody gets to see something. Actually, my favorite shot is this angle where the windmill is. We've been living up here since yesterday, and where we look at the sunset, and thereafter the golden hour. We call it the golden hour because it's all lighted up here at night with yellow lights, and it's all really golden color. If you were to look into the video, yes, this is my favorite shot. This angle. All right, the doom one more time, and thereafter I have to go. This is where the cruise ships are all anchored. Right, Santorini, Greece, we love you.